Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your font size in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to change font size in your Squarespace site, first you need to log in to your computer, to your account. Then click on this website button below your desired website. Go to pages in order to locate the page you want to work on. Let's work on this about page. Now click on this edit button in order to access the editing mode. And you can select between heading 1, the biggest text, to heading 4, to paragraph 1, to paragraph 3, to monospace. After that, click on save. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And to preview your edited font size, click on exit, then go to preview. And this is how to change your font size in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.